This is Kabod Rav.
Yes, go ahead.
Shulchan Aruch and Yalkut Yosef, are they the same thing, more or less, or are they totally different? And are we allowed to take from it?
Okay. So 1 second, let me move this. So the question is, so just repeat and explain the question. There is a Shulchan Aruch and there is a Yalkut Yosef. So what is what and what is the difference and what to learn? That's a very good question. So we're going to explain. So Shulchan Aruch was written by Rabbi Yosef Karo Zatzal, right, around 500 years ago, right, and Rima, Rav Moshe Israelish, right? So he wrote commentary on. He actually wrote his own Shulchan Aruch. So he was writing. It's a holy thought came to Rav Yosef Karo and Rav Israelish in Europe, right? So they were writing simultaneously Shulchan Aruch, and they finished almost at the same time. And when when Rima heard that the Shulchan Aruch was written, he checked the Shulchan Aruch, said he put his work aside. Listen to this, because of the unity. So he did not want the Jewish people to have two different books. It's very interesting. Like after, I'm not sure how many years, he actually died very, very young, in his 40s, I think. So after so many years and so many toiling, he said, no, this person wrote, I'm going to give honor to him, so it's going to be his book, right, his book, and I'm going to add only the Ashkenazi custom. They agree, they not always agree, but most of the time they do agree. Or some Rima would add Ashkenazim do this, in our countries we do this and that. So just small commentaries, sometimes it's like totally different, but that's the Shulchan Aruch. That's what called Shulchan Aruch. It was written 500 years ago. So Yalkut Yosef, it's actually started with Rav Ovadia Yosef Zatzal, and then continue with his son. He did not finish, I think, in his lifetime, right? And it's a modern application. So he went through the whole Shulchan Aruch, and the story was why he would comment on Shulchan Aruch. I think I'm not sure how old he was, but he was started losing his vision, like from nowhere, and it was unstoppable. He almost was going blind. And he went to doctors, to the rabbis, so nobody, they would give him blessing, but he was losing the vision. So he went to grave for Rav Yosef Karo Zatzal and said, Rabbi, if you help me, if you help in Shemaim to protect my vision, so I'm going to dedicate my life on clarifying the Shulchan Aruch. So, and Baruch Hashem, that's the miracle happened. His vision was restored. I mean, if you see the picture, he had these big glasses, and it's like covered from all of the angles. Not because he's stylish, because he has such a weak eyes. But it was mainly restored. Right? His vision was mainly restored, and of course he kept his promise, and he clarified his the teachings of Shulchan Aruch according to modern application. So Sephardim, not all, but many of them, many Sephardic Jews actually follow this Yalkut Yosef. But since it is more modern, it's like I'm not sure when it was published, maybe 20, 30 years ago. So it's not that long ago. Maybe a little more, but not much more. You understand? So some were following other books, but all of the new people, of course, they are like somebody who's learning today. It's proper for them to learn this book. Why? Because it has all of the modern applications, right? About microwave and planes and boats and all other things, and army and pikuach nefesh and life and death and all of this, do not resuscitate, right? All of these things. Okay, so that's yeah, that's it. That's the difference.